This is how much our first indie game made in its first month of launch. 580 in gross revenue. Sounds decent, right? Well, that is not the case. After returns and taxes, we left with roughly $380. Then Steam takes their 30% on top of that, leaving us with even less. Not exactly a retirement money, but for two devs with zero experience, this feels like a win. Watch till the end to find out how we got here. PedalVerse is our first commercial game made in just 6 months while we were learning game development along the way. Today, I am not just here to talk about the numbers. I want to share a full story, how we did it, why we did it, and what's next. But first, let's rewind to the start of 2024. I love to watch indie devlogs. It all started with one channel, Danny. He is the reason that I started watching other devs on their journey, including devlog, Thinmetrics, and Thomas Brush. Everyone kept saying, if you want to make a game, just make games. That phrase stuck in my head, and I thought, why not give this a shot? My younger brother had been learning Unreal Engine for about a year. Partner in crime, check. Ambition, double check. We decided to go all in. Our goal was clear. No big dream games, just small fun experiences with development time of 3 to 6 months. That's it. We started brainstorming what to make. We listed all the ideas. Most got scrapped for being overly ambitious, and some were archived for later. We eventually come up with ninja-themed isometric platformer. It sounded cool in theory, but didn't quite pass fun to playtest. I went full nerd mode, spending hours on SteamDB, researching trends, analyzing indie games, and figuring out what kind of games work on Steam. That's when it hit me. We needed something that is accessible within a specific niche that casual players could also enjoy. Fast forward to end of June. I just finished Lonely Mountains Downhill. At that time, I was into the mountain biking games like Descenders, Riders Republic, Lonely Mountains Downhill. I thought, what if we made a simpler, more casual downhill biking experience? Imagine a blend of chill exploration and chaotic fun. Something you could pick up after a busy day or enjoy on a relaxing weekend. And just like that, PedalVerse was born. We came up with 2 game modes. The first is Track Roulette. It's like spinning a wheel of chaos. You get a random track, random challenge, and random customization. Complete the challenge and you unlock a new item. It's perfect for players who enjoy unpredictability. The second mode is like a chill exploration. We call it a semi-open world. This one is all about freedom. You got an MTB and FPV drone to explore the vast natural environment. Can't reach high spot on your bike? Use the drone to scout the area, then switch back to your bike and race downhill. It's relaxing and immersive until you crash, turning relaxation into a hilarious rage quit moment. After 6 months, we finally hit a launch button on Steam, and it began refresh like a stockbroker during a market crash. Within first hour, we saw our first sale. It was surreal. I thought, this is it. We have made it. So what's next? We are officially building FuristicStudio from ground up as an indie studio, committing to making a small but fun experiences. Our plan is to experiment with different genres and even blend them together. For most, PedalVerse may be a failure, but for us, our definition of success regarding PedalVerse is different. We just wanted to test our skill and believe, can we complete and launch a game within 6 months? And I think we did it. We sold over 90 copies, earned over $350, plus an invaluable amount of experience. For us, that feels like a huge win. We have already started brainstorming our next project. I can't share too many details yet, but trust me, it's going to be very different from PedalVerse. If you're curious about how two brothers are building an indie studio from ground up, learning as we go, then subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell. We will document everything. Our challenges, the solutions we will find, and all the lessons we will learn along the way. Whether you are a game developer, a designer, or just someone who loves indie games, we are here to inspire, educate, and entertain you. If you want to support our journey, PedalVerse is currently 50% off for the first 10 days of New Year. Grab it now or share it with a friend. Every purchase helps us create more games and share more stories. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to follow our journey of building an indie studio. Thanks for watching. Until then, let's keep pedaling forward. Bye.